Hey, I'm just making this shit do you feel me? Let y'all know you feel me. I had to chop the video and 2 videos. I had to chop the video to 2 videos, you feel me? One because the video was 50 minutes long, you feel me? So I'm not even gonna make the video that long. My phone wouldn't let me say that, so I said I'm just gonna chop this bitch in half. So part 1 is uploading on YouTube now. You feel me? Y'all run that motherfucker up. You feel me? On there I said I need 20 likes for me to drop this part 2. So I'm gonna give y'all the Wednesday to get that bitch 20 likes. Oh. I had recorded Friday, but I just deleted all that footage. But GSP was on the bullshit Friday too. They swarmed that nigga spinning in the gas station parking lot. Nigga got out ran. Everybody else had that gun punch shit. Woo. But in this video, y'all gonna see what GSP did, bro. They fucked up. GSP is fucked up, bro. They is fucked up. But hey, run this video up too. Let's get this video to 50. Run that video up too though. I want 20 likes for me to drop this motherfucker. Run that bitch up. 50 likes on that bitch, 50 likes on that bitch. Let's do it.
Alright, so they can make sure you spend it for it. You hit that cone, you disqualified.
But that's making them come a little too close this way, though, don't you think? And put that hoe on that
Move that hoe. But oh, I ain't even tell that. We moved to another location. Police finally told her I had to leave.
Damn, don't put me down.
I thought you wanted to say something.
Hey, y'all. We at Moreland.
Look at that. That look like a goddamn.
What?
You fucked up. Look at that boy walk. That boy trying to walk fast fuck. I'm gonna cut the camera back on though, man. Every time I come out this bitch. I need to get here like this whole time getting that bill, man.
Oh my. Yeah, I know. Big headed ass.
high as a bitch. Boy, they be thinking they hold a gun like a motherfucker, man. Every time I walk past nigga, looking down in my pocket. Hey, it's a goddamn, if you want to walk around with your goddamn little tripod or whatever.
I just watched the video.
Funny. And it's a risk. You need someone that had a gun on your body. I'm gonna cut it come back on some shit. Once some more shit pop out though.
I told you, it's too much tape. Look at Waukesha. I need to hurry up. They'll let you niggas push. I don't know why nigga do that shit, man. Nobody cut the pants and make them some short in them hoes. He should have cut them hoes some hoes. Man, they bullshit. I'm gonna come back on. almost got in there. Oh, crap. Amazon.
But you gotta make your way through there, babe. Old drunk ass can't drive. Damn, babe.
I thought he was gonna go out that way. I thought he was gonna try to split between the truck and the... What you recording for? I told him I was gonna catch up with the ass later, bro.
Well, we weren't even here for a hot 5 minutes, bro. Just pin pulled up, bro.
Whoa. GSP be coming out of nowhere.
What you say?
Come on, you can't let everybody out. Oh shit.
No, I didn't know that whole. I think that whole going out. Oh yeah, follow the Jeep. The Jeep has the way out.
Your mama calling you.
Hold on, them cars. Very like they got it blocked in.
Go, no, they pulled off.
Put that window. Damn! They caught him. Ooh, they caught him.
I want to get on camera.
I'm finna go down there. They caught him. Oh, TRX.
Oh! Beep.
TRX. Damn. This nigga blowing the horn, I don't see the police at the house. Oh shit, another one just pulled down. Damn, I got another one. Ooh. Look at that challenging, boy. You should have heard that motherfucker pull out, boy. What you do, man? Do that. I low-key want to turn around and go back the other way though, cause that way everybody ain't.
Go that way then. Turn around right here.
Turn around there.
We gonna get back with y'all.
Get him! Oh, there go the motherfucking marrow! Motherfucking marrow! Oh, them bitches moving!
Go!
Them bitches moving!
Get out the way!
Them bitches moving!
He bullshitting.
Let me get this.
Get out of there, man. Get out of there.
Let me get this.
Get out of there, man. Get out of there.
Boy, I should have seen how that black Charlie took out, boy. Them folks not playing. Then they got the mirror. They ain't playing with the boat, man. I ain't gonna. Why is so much traffic? Must be a wreck.
No, they must finna tow buddy car up here.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that bitch.
He went to jail.
Boy, I ain't gonna lie, GSP cars moving, boy. I see why they be catching niggas.
Oh, babe, watch out.
Y'all see the shit on video. These niggas in Georgia cannot drive. On my mama, they cannot drive. But listen, boy, them hoes is moving, boy. I ain't gonna lie, that's the fastest police car in the scene so far. Them hoes is not no joke. Them hoes is moving, boy. I know, I gotta make sure I got some fast shit. Damn, I hope they ain't get on the interstate, though. I ain't going on the interstate. We got a bad tire right now. I gotta get that bitch chain when they get paid. I hope they caught him already, though. I'm just playing. Whoever the fuck runner, boy, you better get away, boy. You get caught, boy, your ass is ground. Damn! Your ass.
just told you your ass is grass. You get caught, your ass is grass. Now, let's go pull up on this mirror.
Oh, babe.
Oh, I thought that was Tony with the popo. So I had to,
Damn, hold on. Hey, hold on.
Well, there's some more coming too. There's some more coming too.
Hold on, I
Put
hold.
the camera right. Let me get the camera right there. Y'all see them motherfuckers coming, boy.
Get over.
Man, fuck you. They finna get on the opposite side of the road. Fuck what you talking about. They must have hurt this nigga, bro.
Bro, I think they hurt him. I think they hurt him.
I think they hurt this nigga, bro.
I think they hurt him. Let me see the cone.
Yeah, bro.
No! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Please tell me they okay. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God, babe! Bro. Please tell, Lord, please be with them. Please tell me they okay. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. No shit. Now you gotta move. This shit is fucked up. Oh my God, I hope he is okay. Lord, please be with him. Please, please be with him. Please let him survive. Please let him be okay. Lord, tell me he can, Lord, pray for him. Pray, pray, pray. Be with him. Be with him. He gonna be alright. He gonna be alright. He gonna be alright. Oh, damn. Fuck GST. No, I got it.
Bro.
Look at this one. Oh my God.
These folks so fucked up, bro.
He hit somebody.
Oh
Ew.
shit, they had a wreck. Then you got one for your wrist. God damn, bro. God damn, bro.
Is he okay?
God damn.
Are they okay?
The nigga on the ground right here moving.
What about the people in the front seat, babe? Oh my God. Oh my God. With my phone.
God damn, bro. These people in their car straight. I see that they straight in their car. God damn, boy.
Oh my God.
Shit, boy. Them folks ain't no motherfucking joke, boy.
Boy, oh my God. Pray for them. I hope everybody walk away.
Damn, bro, that shit is fucked up. I ain't gonna stunt y'all, but that's gonna be the end of this video, but hey.
We gotta go home.
That's gonna be the end of the video. Y'all like, comment,
Y'all
subscribe.
pray for them. Everybody walk away.
Y'all like, comment, subscribe. And I'm gonna catch up with y'all in next video. We gone.